Hi everybody, this is Miss Chen and this is my assistant Miss Chen. And today we are going to show you how to use a massage gun, which is the latest and the greatest one, and find out what's weird and what's actually worth it. So let's get started. So before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure and click on the subscribe button because you help business channel grow on. Massage gun is a piece of fitness technology that pretty much everybody I know it's try to get their hands on. It's basically a tool that you use to rack your muscle rapidly. Handheld, percussive therapy device. It's crazy because it's good for everyone. The most basic things it does it's relieve tension, whether you are in professional exercise person or my mom. It's gonna give them the same relief. And then there is nearly 100 different styles of massage gun in the showroom. In our showroom, there are more than 100 different styles. And the one I am going to introduce you today, it called, the model number is 6503. Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting shape, very light. And let's look at the parameters first. It's got very lightweight, and this goes up to 4 ways and 6 levels. Oh my God, that's 6 levels and 12 heads. It feels very rock, you know, it's rock solid, very high power, and but with very low decibel vibration, and it can go 80 minutes for every time when you're using. It can go 80 minutes using. So, and this is about 12,005 milliampere hour battery inside, and about only 45 decibel low noise range. So let's see, you know, this is a super battery inside and the super brushless motor. So I am bringing the charging full, only takes about 7 hours. So this average run time is about 7 or 8 hours running time. So this is the reason why I choose it. So why I choose this model 6503, and you see this massage gun is really nice because we have a different grip. You know, so you can hold on it and get a good grip. Some of the others, they are just straight without the handle. And that will make it a little hard to get the massaging in the body. Look, so this is a standard handle, and this is a basic handle, and this is we called reverse handle. And these 3 handles, they use a different way for the body. So let's see my assistant. Okay, 好。One of the other reason I really like it because this massage gun, it is wireless. So it makes it a lot easier to really get in there and work on some stuff. It also has bunch of different massage heads, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ones in a few minutes, and during the time I will ask my assistant to show you how to change every head. Okay, and the first 这么难忘没有关系，尽管录。Okay, and 这一段也挺好。Okay, and then the first thing is I'm going to show you the palm, balls of feet and legs. Okay, these heads this hat is for the palm, both of feet and legs. And now we show you another is for the waist and the back. This is for 腰部 and I think this is one. This is for waist and the back. And the third type is for the neck pain, and the body pain or lower the back pain. Okay, for this and for this part, and then for the for this part for the neck. Okay, and the next part is for the precious part. Like this is for the very precious part in the body. And the last part of the head is like this. It's for the points, the whole in your whole body. Okay, so it has about 4 different settings here mainly for vibrating interval time. So I am going to show you the real quick. This is a first one setting, and for the muscle activation. So if you can really kind of get in there and hear my talking funny, well, it's on the neck area. Okay, and then you can bring it up. You can bring it up. Yeah, you can bring it up for the second mode, second one, where you can see it's a little bit faster, and the fish, and this is what we called fascia to relax. And then even the third one, let's go up again. So the third one and the fourth one, that you get really quick motions. So this one's a lot of nicer, a little bit lower in the deep into the muscle tissues, where sometimes those tiger points area. Okay, so now let's see how much it sells in the market. So let's see some information from the Amazon, the retail price in the Amazon. It sells about $50. And you know, there are many items, there are many massage guns, they sell less than $50 for the retail price, which I don't like to choose, because that is actually is like the dolls or the toys. That is not what the channel is. That's all for today. So thanks for my model, my trusty assistant. And if you love the video and you want to see more like, please go to the Instagram or the Facebook and the TikTok, guys. And thanks for watching. This is Miss Zhen from our Super Showroom. Until next time, I will catch you later.